Position to advise the Prime Minister.
Leader of the opposition, Stephenson King, indicated that it is easy for the Prime Minister, Dr. Kenny Anthony, to blame the UWP for the fiscal challenges which have hampered the state's ability to pay public servants a 15% pay increase in the ongoing negotiations. However, King refutes this statement, saying the Prime Minister needs to reflect on his administration for the period 1997 to 2006 and examine the accumulation of debt. He claims the Prime Minister returned to office on the assumption that he had the answers to the problems faced by this country.
It is easy for the Prime Minister to lay blame on Stephenson King and the United Workers' Party. But what the Prime Minister must do is to look in the mirror, reflect on his administration between 1997 and 2006, examine the accumulation of debt during that period of time, over $1 billion, and to answer the question, who placed this country in greater difficulty? I would also like the Prime Minister to review all of the reports of the IMF and to answer the question for himself. It is not for me at this time to advise the Prime Minister on how to deal with the situation. The Prime Minister assumed office and was voted into office with the understanding of the people that he had the answers, to deal with all of the problems that he claimed that the country was experiencing. It is now for him to deal with the public officers.
Prime Minister Dr. Kenny Anthony states the previous actions of the King administration are partly to be blamed for the stalemate. Public servants were granted a 14.5% wage by the last administration. Dr. Anthony claims this plunged the country into recurrent deficits and nothing was done to deal with this situation. The Prime Minister stated the opposition leader needs to take responsibility for his actions.
Part of the reason that we are in the mess we are in today is because of his previous actions in respect of the negotiating process. If you look at the figures very carefully, you will note that the deficit that I've been speaking about repeatedly began to emerge after the increase of 14.5% to public officers. That was a start of the problem. And since that time, he did nothing to deal with the problem. That's why we're in the mess that we are in today. And he must take full responsibility, take the blame for what has happened, because I'm now dealing with the inheritance that he left behind.
King says he is not advising the Prime Minister on what to do in the current impasse. Although he argues public servants are due for a review in salary, he admits any increase must be within the ability of government to pay. Vanda William, HTS News Force.
And to answer the question for himself.